So I've just finished testing the telescope on this rig you see behind me, and I'm not really impressed. This telescope has got exactly the same problem as the previous one, which makes me think that it might even be the same telescope. So it's got a 1 MOA shift from left to right if I dial down 200 MOA. The other one had a 3/4 MOA shift, but I think with mounting and setup and looking on a small screen, it might, because I'm looking at the camera screen as I'm doing the dialing, and I'm guessing it looks to me like 1 MOA, but might be a little bit less. So I have a sneaky suspicion that this is actually the same telescope, unless they have multiple telescopes with the same problem, which is not unheard of, but probably unlikely that it's to this extent. So I will probably be sending this one back again. I did an interesting test where I, by trial and error, set the erector tube to be vertical so that when you dial the turret, it tracks vertically. But then you can visually see that the reticle is out of alignment with the target on the back. So that kind of confirms the problem. In case people were wondering if everything was plumb and level, that kind of, the fact that you can see that it's tracking vertically, but the reticle is visually out of alignment shows you the extent of the problem. Yeah, I will be sending this one back again, and we'll hear from Zeiss, hopefully soon. If Zeiss sends me a Zeiss, I would be more happy. We'll hear back from them soon, and then I'll update it. But for now, this one has still got a problem, and I'm not going to use it as is. Yeah, so yours might be good, but I would definitely recommend that you at least test it so that you know what you're working with. Yeah, if you liked it, thanks for watching. This took me hours to set up. Trying to get the tracking vertical without any reference was kind of a difficult thing to do, but I'm glad I did it in the end, because now it shows that I'm not going crazy. Yeah, so hopefully I get one that works, and I was going to say that this is a good way to show what the quality control is on Zeiss telescopes, but the problem I have is the problem is so similar that I suspect they sent me back my old telescope in a new box and just said it was a new telescope. This is my suspicion. We will find out when I get to test another one, but I will test another one. I'm doing right now. Cool beans!